Hi, and welcome to DB Bricks. On today's show, we will be building a Ninjago Kai's motorcycle speed race set that I won for free on WhatNot. What's WhatNot? Well, we'll get into that, followed by a store spotlight before we get into the build. We hope you enjoy the show, and as always, like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we drop a new video. Today I am discussing WhatNot. What is WhatNot? Simply put, it's a live stream auction and marketplace. It's a blend of eBay and Twitch to buy and sell a variety of items ranging from sports cards to household and everything in between. Most sales happen during a live show where a seller showcases items by video and people watching can bid on them. This is where I put my disclaimer. This is not for anyone under the age of 18 or without parental supervision. You are spending real money on these items, and the majority of sellers have a no cancellation policy. There is a lot of engagement between buyers and sellers during a live show, and watching a live show, you could happen to get into a free giveaway, often called givvies. Buyers can also purchase items from sellers' shops within the app without attending a live show. And every purchase is protected because WhatNot mediates refunds if items arrive damaged or not as described. So, if you are of age or your parents are already on the app, ask for permission beforehand, but check it out. It's a great way to find some items you won't find in your local area. Welcome to our first store highlight segment. We are starting off big with Big Brothers Bricks, located at 2340 Grand Boulevard Southeast in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. They were recently awarded the 2025 New Business of the Year by the Rio Rancho Regional Chamber of Commerce. They specialize as an authorized reseller that buys, sells, and trades a variety of LEGO products, including retired, vintage, and rare sets, as well as the latest new releases. They are open Monday to Saturday, 11 to 7, and Sundays, 2 to 6. Be sure to check them out if you're in their area. I've also posted their Facebook and WhatNot links in the description of my video. Today's build is the LEGO Ninjago Kai's Motorcycle Speed Race, set number 71838. It comes with 2 figs, a Dragon's Rising Kai and a Spectral Dragonian Scout, and 2 buildable bikes, 79 pieces in total. Big shout out to Big Brothers Bricks for posting the followers giveaway on WhatNot that I just happened to win. This set was fun to build and I really enjoyed adding it to my collection. Hope you enjoy watching. Well, that's our show for the day. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you like our videos, please give us a like and a follow. And remember, build, collect, repeat. Thanks again for all your support.